Central Academy Senior Secondary School, Bapunagar, Bhilwara. An academy committed to imparting quality education and instilling patriotism and sanskaras in centennials. The biggest question is which stream to choose after class 10th. What am I going to do? Career becomes a career if not chosen properly. Because the career path is like after class 10th, we follow 12th, then bachelor and then masters. Whether we choose science, arts or commerce, we have to think a lot. We begin with science stream. The main subjects are English, physics, chemistry, mathematics or biology. And from optional subjects we have to choose any one from physical education, computer science, Hindi, fine arts, music or entrepreneurship. After choosing science, we can have career options like IIT, biotechnology, architect, computer programmer, MBBS, MSc, BDS and other management courses. Now let's move to arts stream. The main subjects are English, history, geography, political science, and optional subjects are physical education, informatic practices, Hindi, fine arts, music, economics and entrepreneurship. We have to choose any one from these. The career options are UPSC, RPSC and other civil services, LLB, teacher, designer or musician. Let's move forward for commerce stream. The main subjects are English, economics, accountancy and business studies. And any one subject can be chosen from the optional subjects like physical education, informatic practices, maths, Hindi, fine arts, music and entrepreneurship. The career options in commerce are chartered accountant, company secretary, cost management accountant, actuary, entrepreneurship, event management, hotel management and other management courses. Earning is not that important. Enjoying your job is more important. We create the base with our principal ma'am, Mrs. Shalini Dikshit, who is MA English Literature, B.Ed and she is pursuing PhD and having an experience of 22 years. The best teachers educate with their hearts and not just their minds. Centennials mentors are as follows. For economics, we have Mr. Rajesh Singh teaching experience for 23 years. Mr. Akash Soral teaching business studies and entrepreneurship since 17 years. Mr. Lalit Tiwari teaching business studies and entrepreneurship since 21 years. For accountancy and economics, we have Mr. Sahil Kapoor teaching since 7 years. For chemistry, Dr. Umrao Singh teaching since 23 years. Mr. Ashish Jaju teaching physics since 7 years. Dr. Akash Soni teaching biology since 7 years. Mr. Nityanand Sharma teaching mathematics since 11 years. Mr. Ankit Vijayvargiya teaching mathematics since 7 years. Mrs. Pooja Parikh teaching English since 15 years. Mrs. Nidhi Maheshwari teaching English since 10 years. Mrs. Sunita Jain teaching Hindi since 24 years. For geography, we have Mrs. Shruti Jain teaching since 28 years. For political science, we have Mrs. Sunita Ramchandani teaching since 14 years. For history, we have Mr. Hemant Vaishnav teaching since 10 years. Mr. Sachin Shankar teaching music since 8 years. Ms. Ritu Sharma teaching fine arts, painting since 6 years. Mrs. Savita Joshi teaching physical education since 18 years. Mr. Dharmendra Nair teaching physical education since 7 years. Then we have lab in charge for physics Mr. Jayanand Jha for 23 years. And lab in charge for chemistry Mr. Ashok Sharma for 15 years. Parents and teachers only become happy to see you succeed. The biggest thing is, why Central Academy? It takes a big heart to shape little minds. We are a school with difference because we are a chain of schools in 4 states, 30 cities, 64 schools, over 1 lakh students. We have best academic standard, experienced and caring faculty, course completion strategy, and instilling patriotism and sanskaras. In sports, we have international players. Our students participated for Bharat Vikas Parishad at national levels. Our students are adding up to highest positions at administrative services also, and school labs and other facilities are awesome. Empowering students to develop self-reliance, variety of optional subjects for self-development, experiential educational excursions, outdoor visits and field surveys, scholarship schemes for talented students, and no partiality due to CEC. Now, what is CEC? This is Centralized Examination Cell, in which we have centralized question paper policy. We collect question papers from UP, Rajasthan and Delhi and interchange answer copies to different branches with fictitious roll numbers for unbiased copy checking. We also provide scholarship scheme for top academic and sports aspirants. To call high, it demands high persistence, high perseverance and high performance. If your path is more difficult, it is because of your high calling. Score 65% or more in theory to get science in class 11th. Now some photos of school facilities. This is our lovely school campus. Morning assembly, conveyance facility, safe and purified drinking water. This is library, biology lab, well-equipped physics lab, chemistry lab. We have 2 computer labs. This is our lovely music room, sports room, gymnasium, and huge playground, basketball court, badminton court, volleyball ground. Now a message from principal's desk. Life is too simple to make it complex. So choose your future rightly. There is no replacement for school till 12th. A personal touch of a school teacher cannot be replaced by any commercial teacher outside the premises. In the formative year of school education, learning small things in a healthy atmosphere getting up at right time with co-curricular activities will always profit a school-coming child. School uniform is the only medium to feel that we are from a student community, and whosoever will look at you will admire you, nurture you, because you belong to a student community. We are not just teachers, we are the managers of the world's greatest resources, children. Thank you.